$2 to get sold cheaply in Libya. What kind of slave trade is that? And will leaders win the fight against it? Wyoming promised to pay back the 51 million Ghana cedis he owes the state. He paid, 4 million voluntarily, but has since been fighting the state. He got the African court to order Ghana to stop pursuing his assets until further notice. That order has been ignored. Any implications for Ghana? Over 3 million liters of premix fuel diverted and party executives accused of making it a gold mine. What's going on? We'll find out whether President Akofu Addo has said he will approve of homosexuality in Ghanaian law. We'll be right back to deal with the vexed matters. I'm Samson Lardy Anyenini.